Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon. On behalf of the Pakistani American Republicans, including Mushtaq Ahmad Kambo, William Shehzad, James Cyprian, Chaudhry Ziaur Sidhu, Zafar Iqbal, and others, I hereby announce the community's decision to support Trump in the upcoming November 5th, 2024 election reflects several considerations. Economic policies. The Pakistani community appreciates Trump's focus on economic growth, tax cuts, and jobs creation, which they believe can positively impact their businesses and livelihood. Foreign relations. There is a belief that Trump's administration could foster stronger US Pakistan relations, potentially benefiting both countries in terms of trade, security, and diplomatic ties. Immigration stance. Some community members who feel that Trump's policies on legal immigration and his emphasis on merit-based immigration systems align with their interest. Security and stability. Supporters may trust Trump's approach to national security and his policies aimed at maintaining law and order, which they feel contribute to a safer environment. Community outreach. Trump's campaign will make concerted efforts to engage with and address the concerns of the Pakistani community, strengthening their support. Overall, the decision to back Trump is driven by a combination of his policies, promises, and perceived benefits for both the Pakistani community in the US and the broader US Pakistan strengthened relationship in the years ahead. God bless you all. God bless America. God bless Pakistan. And God bless Donald Trump.